Click the hammer icon to get your build tools. In Floorplanner, you can draw your rooms wall by wall or room by room. Let's choose Draw Room. First, you can set up the thickness of your walls and the wall height. If you now move your mouse to the work field, you'll notice a blue circle around your cursor. This shows the wall thickness. Click in your work field and drag your mouse. You will see 4 walls appearing. When you release your mouse, you see a room surface and a set of dimensions. These are the interior dimensions, and on the outside are the exterior dimensions. Let's do that again. Now we want a smaller room inside the first one. We want to make a wall thickness of 10. And let's make a hallway of 5 by 2 meters. If you click on the inner dimensions, you can double-click the value and enter the desired value. Click on the arrow button to indicate the direction of the wall to move. So this one should be 2 meters. There you go. Walls are smart interactive elements that create rooms when they are closed. If you draw wall by wall, you have more freedom in the direction of your walls, and you will see that they will snap to different walls and wall corners. Press Escape to exit the wall drawing mode.